Today I want to show you a listing that I found up in the Montclair Hills. This is on Taurus, which is a street that winds through the hills about halfway up Broadway Terrace. And it's a great neighborhood, very leafy. People used to compare that part of Oakland to Lake Tahoe. There's no lake. And it's very convenient to the freeway. You can just drop right down Broadway Terrace to get to Highway 13 and then onto the freeways to get pretty much anywhere. I lived there with my mom and dad when I was going to the university in Berkeley, and it was a pretty easy commute to campus from there. So here it is, 301 Taurus Avenue, Montclair. Okay, so it's Monday and I am going on the broker's tour following my training class at the Montclair office of Coldwell Banker Realty. This is a place that's on Taurus in the Montclair Hills. And I remember Taurus as a really nice street from when I used to live on Broadway Terrace. So I'm curious to see this place and how it looks. Walking up to it now, there's the open house sign. There's the neighboring house. And this is what looks down the street. Very leafy here. Lots of nice homes in this area. Fire insurance is a question though. You want to make sure you get a quote before putting in an offer on a house in the hills like this. Okay, walking down. Here's the information. I'll pick up one of these flyers. In we go. Okay, the neighboring property. Nice. And this one. Very charming. Little front area here. It's got a little patio with brickwork. Some look like leaded glass windows, ivy, and a bedroom over here. Okay, so now I'm walking in the front door. Here's the living room. Wood floors, brick fireplace, beams in the rafters there, very nice. And over here is that bedroom that we saw from outside, the bedroom that looks out onto that area with the wallpaper. And there's another bedroom down there. This is a walk-in, well, it's a large bathroom with the tub and the his and her, or her and her, or his and his sinks, and shower. And here's the laundry area that it's got the hookup, but no washer dryer. There's the neighboring house, and there's the trees down in the valley. Very nice. Keep walking down the hall to this bedroom. This bedroom number 2 that we've seen here. Okay, walk-in closet. Closet with a view, how about that? Over here we have stairs going somewhere. Interesting. Oh, sort of like a stairway storage area. Okay. Oh, we have a downstairs area. Let's go down here. Open up downstairs. Full bathroom. Walking down. Okay, to the right, we have an extra room with exterior access. Here's like the fuse box and the underground part of the house. Exterior access. You can see the valley is thickly wooded with oaks. Moving on, looks like another washer dryer hookup area here, and an extra room here. with the bare concrete floor and access to the crawl space. So a lot of good storage here. And looks like a full bathroom, oh, a half bath, with a shower. Okay, that's the downstairs area. Heading back up. Okay, now we're back on the main floor. This is where we came in. And so the living room, we've got an archway next to the fireplace, going into a beautiful little eating area. We've got windows on two sides looking out. Got a nice view of the valley. And we're moving on into the kitchen now. Kitchen. Stove. The counters and the dishwasher. And there is a deck. It says, do not walk on the deck. Okay, so looks like the deck maybe needs some work, or maybe they just don't want you to walk on it during the open house. But it is open to the sky with a lot of trees around. Very pretty. Continuing to walk outside, and there's the garage. Looks like a one-car garage. And if I turn around, there's looking up the driveway from the house. So here's the flyer. It's 301 Taurus Avenue, Oakland. It's listed for $799,000. 2 beds, 2 baths, 1,346 square feet on a 7,800 square foot lot. Okay, so now I'm going to walk back up the way I came, back up to the street. And they still have mail service here. So looking down the driveway now, the house, you can see the neighborhood a little bit better. This is down the street from Taurus, walking away from the house now. Give you an idea just how leafy it is here.